So I did some sanding off video. My next step is to put some finish on this. I'm using a combination of a sanding paste and a walnut oil wax mixture that I make. You can use wipe on poly, you could spray it, you can use a Danish oil on it. There's all sorts of finishes you can use. I just like to use wax finishes for bowls that I intend people to use. So my first step is to apply the sanding paste. So put a little bit on a rag, and I want to work it in really good. Okay, so now that I have the sanding paste all spread around, gonna turn lathe up to about 600 RPMs, and then go to a clean part of my rag. With moderate pressure, push it in and buff all that sanding paste off. So my next step is to apply my walnut oil wax to it. Same thing, just be liberal, wipe it on. Now we're going to turn the lathe on. Just turn up a little bit faster for this stuff. Clean part of the rag. There you have it. That's the finished bowl. Just have to apply a little bit of wax to the inside of the recess. There you go. It's all finished up. So with a little patience, you can make a bowl just like this.